Brunch is ready to serve. Look, didn't have enough batter for a full one, but that's all right. I slathered all these waffles with butter. This is brunch number 5, by the way. And we're plating it up. Okay, so there's a waffle. Waffle brunch. Okay, and we do not touch your iron for a while. You let that cool off because it is extremely hot. Now, take some of your berries. This is what I like to do anyway. Throw on top there. You see how that juiced up a little bit? It's from that sugar. Strawberries and blueberries. Looky there, baby. Remember, I slathered these waffles with butter. You might not want as much butter as me. Okay. Here's that whipped topping. Ta-da! Put a little bit in the middle there. A little bit. Hey, let's put a little bit more. There we go. And some hot syrup. Pour over that. Oh boy. And watch this. Dark chocolate syrup. There's another use for Torani's syrups. Looky there. Woo! If you're like me, you want a little bit of caramel on it too. Torani caramel syrup. Hey, I support them. They're good. Good syrups. Then you grab your fork. Alright. Oh, put a few sausages on there. And grab your fork. Dig in. Get some of that cream down. Dog's looking at me like, don't I get any? She does. She does. Man, boy. Lord have mercy. Why haven't I been doing this all my life? Where's that waffle iron been all my life? I gotta take another bite of that. That is good stuff, Maynard. Some of that cream on there. Ooh, strawberry, blueberry. Well, I'm gonna go sit down. Feed some to my dog, eat some myself, eat these until they're gone. Waffle Brunch at UB's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, y'all.